We're going to be using Google Chrome as one of our web browsers this year in ICT. If you look at my Google Chrome homepage, you see that I've got plenty of apps on the main screen, and there's some familiar options on the right-hand side when you click on the Settings button. There's plenty of categories and different apps that you can add to your Google Chrome page. Here's just a few examples. Another option in Settings is to zoom your page in and zoom your page out using the zoom option shown here. Find is a useful option using the Command F combination of keys. You can search for different terms on the page. You can see what I'm searching for at present. Under Tools, there's various different tools that you can use. Extensions is an interesting one. Basically, these are the extensions I've added to my browser for that particular user, and you can also see them in the top right-hand corner of my screen. This just makes it easier to access certain extensions from the browser without having to go to certain web pages for them. This is the settings area where you can sign in and sync everything. You can decide what you want to show whenever you start up with Chrome. I've got continue where I left off. You can change the appearance. You can determine which search engines you'd like to use. I'm going to just change the appearance by choosing a theme. So you notice that themes is one of the options in the Google Chrome Web Store. It's in blue at the bottom, and I can select themes by artist or by Google. We'll just choose the Angry Birds for a moment and add them as my theme. Takes a few minutes while it checks it and installs it. It's been added to Chrome. And there's a few other options down below. If you look at the Google selection as well, you could choose from there. Notice there's lots of apps available, popular apps, apps from your circles, trending, business, education, games, and more. Have a play around with these, try a few out. Right, this is one of the apps that I just clicked on that I have as part of my app collection for this particular user in Google Chrome. I can search out apps based on different tags. Just photos, for example. I found one right now for photo collages, and I'm going to add it to Chrome. Now when I go to my main Chrome page, that app is available, as you can see, for me to use to create photo collages. Let's just look at a few other options here. Popular. You'll recognize quite a few of these, I would imagine. There's Google Drive. I'm going to add that one to my Chrome. I'll probably add Calendar, Gmail, and a few others as well. And again, you can see that these apps have now been added to my main page. We're going to look at some educational apps right now. Notice there's quite a variety available for you to add to your Chrome page. You can try them out. You can read more about them. Check out some reviews. Look at some related apps as well if you're interested in apps that are similar to this one. Chrome also provides you with the option of creating different users or different identities, profiles for your different Gmail accounts, whether that be school Gmail or personal Gmail accounts. With each different profile you have, you also can assign different apps. So therefore your collection of apps for your school profile or user may be different than the apps that you have designated or chosen for your Google Chrome account for your personal Gmail account. Just like with your other users, you can select your extensions. You can go to the Chrome store and select different themes and different apps to add to your Google Chrome page. So now it's up to you to browse the Chrome App Store, select different apps to try out different extensions, and create various users if you have various Gmail accounts for your use with Google Chrome. Enjoy!